Have you ever talked to Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant and wondered, how do they understand what I'm saying? Or have you typed something in Google Translate and watched it magically turn into another language? Behind this magic is something called natural language processing, or NLP for short. Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. What is natural language? First, let's understand what natural language means. It's the language we speak and write every day. Like English, Urdu, Hindi, Spanish, or Chinese. These are natural because humans created them naturally over time, unlike computer languages which were designed by programmers. Now, computers don't speak our language. They understand ones and zeros, like 1010101. Wait, what? So here's the challenge. How can we make computers understand our language? That's where NLP comes in. What is natural language processing, NLP? Here's a famous definition. Natural language processing is a field of artificial intelligence that gives machines the ability to read, understand, and respond to human language. Still sounds big? Let's make it simple. NLP is like teaching a robot how to read, listen, talk, and even write, just like we do. Real-life examples of NLP. Let's look at some examples you already use. Voice assistants like Alexa or Siri answering your questions, Google Translate converting hello into hola, autocorrect fixing your spelling mistakes, chatbots talking to you when you order pizza online, YouTube captions, understanding and displaying spoken words. All these things are possible because of NLP. It's like giving the computer ears to hear, eyes to read, and a mouth to talk. Fun example. Talking to a robot. Imagine you have a robot friend named Robo. You say, "Hey Robo, what's the weather today?" Robo doesn't know what weather or today means, but if we teach Robo how words work, it can understand the question, that's language understanding, look up the weather online, that's processing, give you an answer like, "It's sunny," that's language generation. That's NLP at work, helping Robo understand and talk to you in a human-like way. What NLP does, behind the scenes, to make this work, NLP uses several smart steps. Tokenization, breaking sentences into words, I love pizza, I love pizza. Part of speech tagging, finding if a word is a noun, verb, etc. Sentiment analysis, understanding if someone is happy, sad, or angry. Translation, converting languages. Speech recognition, turning voice into text. Text generation, writing like a human, just like I'm doing now. A famous quote, "Language is the most massive and inclusive art we know, a mountainous and anonymous work of unconscious generations." Edward Sapir, linguist. In other words, language is deep, complex, and full of meaning. And NLP tries to help computers understand all that complexity. Why should you learn about NLP? Because it's everywhere in our digital life. Social media platforms use NLP to filter bad comments. Search engines use it to give better answers. Doctors use it to analyze patient records. Businesses use it to chat with customers. And guess what? NLP is getting smarter every day. It's even writing books, answering emails, and helping people who can't speak. What's coming next? In future videos, we'll explore, how does a chatbot work? How do machines understand sarcasm? How do tools like ChatGPT and Google Translate really work? Can a computer write a poem? Whether you're a student, teacher, or just someone curious about how machines understand human language, this journey will blow your mind. So next time your phone finishes your sentence or your smart speaker tells you a joke, remember, there's a little bit of NLP magic happening behind the scenes, helping machines understand us better than ever before. Stay tuned. This is just the beginning of our exciting adventure into the world of artificial intelligence and language.